Whether you're interested in learning how to do ESP or clairvoyance or using the protocol of remote viewing, or you're just interested in researching it or reading about it, Signal and Noise is the newest book on the market about this topic, and it's a great how-to manual, and it's also chock full of evidence for this ability. Now, if you've read other books about psychic abilities like clairvoyance or ESP before, you may have been disappointed because they only have a few pictures or it's all about the work of one person. But what you need to know about this book is that it is chock full of images from various practitioners of when they were focusing on a target and writing down their impressions on a transcript and then comparing their transcript to the target to look at their accuracy, and it is phenomenal and it's very exciting. And the thing about this is if you decide to use the book as a training guide, then it has many months worth of exercises where you take part in focusing on a coordinate or a target reference number, and you do your transcript, and then you get to see through the book's website, you get to see, and in the book you get to see the target image and compare your work to that. And you also get to see the transcripts of other people for the very same target. So you get to see how you compare to other people, which is a very useful way to learn the process, because some people have unhelpful expectations about themselves. But when you get to see what other people did, it'll build your confidence and strengthen your ability as you go along. If you just want to go in and open the book and look at the pictures, you're going to have a great time. It's going to be a lot of fun. But if you do want to use this as a training guide, don't just open it and look at it when you receive it in the mail, but start at page 1, because you don't want to look ahead because it'll spoil the exercises for you. But you'll see me working with my friends in this book. You'll learn about the 2 times we won a lottery using some of the associative remote viewing techniques. We won it twice in 2019. And you'll learn some other formats you can do with your own friends to create your own groups to do predictions using associative remote viewing. But it really comes down to the fact that our consciousness is connected with everything else across space and time, and it's really just a matter of tuning in. And if you've ever wanted to learn how to do it for yourself, this book, Signal and Noise, will show you how to do that. And at least it's a great start. Of course, when you're done with this, you'll want to look at other books about the same topic. But this one, I think, has more photographs and helpful instructions and downloads in it than any other book on that topic on the market today. So I hope you enjoy it.